Featherdale Wildlife Park, 2013, during one of the school holidays around summertime. We arrived around 12:30 p.m. and played with many animals, including peacocks, kangaroos, and koalas until late afternoon. Me, my parents, my siblings, Aya 26, Amaima 24, Amira 20, and Mahmoud 19. We just wanted to have a good day as a family. It took about half an hour to arrive by car, but when we did, we fed the light brown kangaroos. The kangaroos ate an ice cream cone filled with fine green and fresh grass. I chose to feed the fattest and most adorable kangaroo because it was excited, desperate, and cute. I felt extremely excited and happy because the kangaroos were adorable and excited too.